If you're only using just one of our Kaching apps, you're leaving serious money on the table. We built each of our Shopify apps to be powerful on its own, but when you combine them, something crazy happens. Your store starts stacking upsells, maximizing average order value, and turning casual visitors into repeat buyers. In this video, I'll show you how our full Kaching ecosystem works together, from bundles to subscriptions to slide cart offers, even to post-purchase upsells. This is the full journey of a Shopify customer, optimized at every step. So whether you're running ads or scaling organically, watch this until the end. You'll see how to squeeze the most revenue out of every single order. Now let's switch to my colleague Daniel, who will show you exactly how to set everything up.
Let's start from the customer's perspective. Here's a store fully powered by the Kaching ecosystem. Every part of the journey is optimized to boost your average order value. On the product page, we can see the Kaching Bundles widget. Customers can buy one and save nothing, or buy more and save more. The urgency timer adds extra motivation to check out faster. Everything here works together to drive higher AOV right from the start. Right below, there's the subscription option. Customers can choose to receive the same product automatically every 2 weeks or 4 weeks. If we check the subscription, you'll see the price change instantly and a bigger discount appear. They can check the subscription details and see that after 5 orders, their discount will change. Even this small moment keeps pricing transparent while encouraging recurring revenue and higher lifetime value. Let's keep it unchecked for now. When a customer adds the product to the cart, the Kaching cart drawer slides in smoothly, keeping them in the flow and pushing for a larger order before checkout. Here, we see the items in the cart, and below, bundle upgrades. Add 2 more to get 15% off. They can also tap subscribe and save if they haven't yet to get a bigger discount, or review their subscription option and change it. And that's all inside the cart. Below, there's a progress bar that motivates them to spend even more to unlock free shipping, and related product upsells help them reach the goal. Once they unlock it, there's another tier, a secret gift. Everybody loves free stuff, so many shoppers will add more just to reveal it. And once they have it, they're less likely to remove extra items. They'll keep the gift. The same countdown timer keeps ticking, reminding them that time is running out. Every element in this cart is designed to push AOV higher before checkout. On the checkout page, we can review all of the subscription info one more time. When we press Pay Now, the Kaching Post Purchase Upsell appears, a one-click offer where the customer can instantly add another item without re-entering payment details. The deal can be very strong. Since they've already checked out, you're not risking the sale. You're simply adding extra profit and raising AOV even further. One click and they have it. All of these tools connect seamlessly. Bundles, subscriptions, cart drawer, and post-purchase upsells working together to turn every visit into a complete, optimized shopping journey built to maximize your average order value at every step. Now let's see how to set all of this up step by step. Let's start with Kaching Bundles, the foundation of the Kaching ecosystem. Bundles let you group products together, offer quantity-based discounts, and encourage larger orders. Click Install to add the app to your store. Inside the app, click Create Bundle Deal. There are several discount types to choose from. We'll keep it simple and use the most popular one, Quantity Breaks, for this example. Everything here is straightforward to set up. You can control where the bundle appears across all products except selected ones, only on specific products, or even within selected collections. Let's choose specific products and select the one we want. If you're running a time promotion, set your start date so the bundle activates automatically, and optionally add an end date, perfect for limited time campaigns. If your product has variants, you can adjust all of them right here too. You can let customers choose different variants for each item, or show or hide variant selection for single quantity deal bars. You can even add swatches, color, image, or custom styles, and fully adjust their appearance to match your product setup. Again, everything here is fully customizable. Next, fine-tune your pricing options. You can show prices per item display compare at prices, hide decimals, or round prices, all to fit your store's style and pricing preferences. Then there's the low stock alert toggle. It works great when your inventory is running low, creating that sense of urgency and pushing customers to check out faster. Next, the design settings. You can change your layout style, adjust colors, button text, and fully customize the bundle's appearance to match your storefront. Below that, you'll find the volume discount bundle with other products toggle. It allows customers to manually add other products to complete the bundle. Perfect if you offer multiple complementary products within your store. Scroll down to the countdown timer, one of the most powerful tools for driving conversions. Set a custom duration to create urgency directly on the product page. Then there's the progressive gifts option. Reward customers with a free gift or free shipping once they reach a specific spending goal. Everything here is customizable: product, image, threshold, and text. Next, we have the sticky add to cart option. It keeps the add to cart button visible as customers scroll, helping them check out faster and increasing conversions. Let's look at the bundle settings. Inside each tier, you can add product images to grab attention. You can upload your own or even generate one with AI. Just a few seconds and it's ready. You can also add upsells below each bar, perfect for complimentary items, or turn them into free gift incentives. Again, everything here is fully customizable and designed to boost your AOV. Before publishing your bundle, you can preview everything in real time. Once all looks good, click publish. You can also preview it on your storefront by clicking this button. If you run into any issues, just message our support team. We'll help you in under 10 minutes. From the dashboard, you can track performance and A/B test different bundle designs to see which performs best. You can create up to 4 versions and monitor which one drives the highest results. Let's move to Kaching Subscriptions, the app that helps you turn one-time buyers into long-term customers and build predictable, recurring revenue. And the best part is that it works perfectly with Kaching Bundles, extending your offers even further. Click Install to add the app to your store. Inside the app, go to Plans and click Create Subscription Plan. First, choose your product. Then scroll down to the options and adjust everything to your needs. Set your billing type to either pay as you go or prepaid and define your delivery frequency: weekly, monthly, or any custom interval you prefer. You can also define customer rules. For example, the minimum number of orders a customer must complete before canceling, or the maximum number of orders before the subscription automatically ends. These rules are perfect for limited time or prepaid subscriptions. Next, set your subscriber discount. For example, 10% off for choosing the recurring option. You can even change the discount after a specific number of orders, a great way to reward loyal subscribers or control long-term pricing. It's an easy way to boost retention and reward loyalty. You can also offer a shipping discount or adjust other settings to match your business model. For example, automatically remove free products from the subscription after a set number of orders. If you want more flexibility, you can create multiple subscription options. Just click Add Option and set up as many plans as you need. Next, open the widget settings. Here, you can customize how subscription options appear on your product page. Click Change Layout and choose from 8 professionally designed templates that integrate seamlessly with your storefront and Kaching bundles. Let's stick with this one for now. You can preview everything in real time before publishing. Once it's live, your customers will see both options: a one-time purchase or a subscription plan. With Kaching Subscriptions, you can turn every product into a recurring revenue stream, keep customers returning automatically, and grow both your AOV and lifetime value with almost no extra work. Let's move to Kaching Cart Drawer, the app that transforms your default Shopify cart into a high-converting slide cart drawer. Click Install to add the app to your store. To start, open the Cart tab. At the top, you'll see the generic settings. Here you can change the cart position, adjust product images, and change background color. Then there's the top bar, where you can customize the design of your cart header. Next, scroll down to the timer section. You can set a custom countdown time and even choose to remove all items from the cart when the timer ends. A ticking timer instantly adds urgency, helping convert hesitant shoppers into buyers. Then we have Promotions Progress Bar. You can choose to unlock promotions by cart total or item quantity. Add a bit of fun by enabling mini confetti when a reward is unlocked. You can also customize your progress bar style, icons, colors, or simply toggle emojis or icons on or off. Now, let's add the first tier. You can choose between a shipping discount, order discount, or a free gift. Let's start with a shipping discount. Set your title, select the reward type, define the minimum threshold, and adjust the discount type and size. On the right side, you'll see a real-time preview. In this case, customers need to spend $24 more to unlock free shipping. Let's add another tier, a free gift. Add your product here. By default, it's added automatically, but if you want customers to choose their own gift, go up and select manually by customer. Here, you can customize the text and colors. Now you have options. Add multiple gift products and adjust the gift picker pop-up design. Everything is fully customizable to fit your storefront and campaign style. This feature is one of the simplest but most effective ways to boost AOV. It visually shows shoppers how close they are to their next reward, and that last push often adds another item to the cart. Then we have the products and cart settings. Here you can update subscription colors and text, and just below, the bundles settings, again fully customizable to match your design. Next is the product upsell section. You can show a save % badge and hide upsells if the product is already in the cart. All styles are adjustable, and you can add products manually or let AI recommendations do it for you. This upsell feature alone helps increase cart size and gives customers a clear reason to add more before checkout. Then comes the Trust Badges section. You can add badges from the built-in library or import your own. These build confidence right before checkout and make the purchase feel secure. Just choose an icon, write your text, and you're good to go. The best part, you can rearrange every section simply by dragging and dropping. Move the timer above the upsells, lower the progress bar, total layout freedom. Every change updates in real time so you can instantly preview exactly what your shoppers will see. And lastly, the footer section. It includes extra options like an additional upsell toggle for shipping protection, order notes, discount code field, and more. Since Cart Drawer connects seamlessly with Kaching Bundles and Subscriptions, all discounts and upsells carry over perfectly to checkout. No conflicts, no manual setup. Kaching Cart Drawer keeps your customers engaged, motivated, and ready to spend more, turning every add to cart action into another AOV boosting opportunity. And lastly, let's move to Kaching Post Purchase Upsells, the app that helps you earn more even after checkout. Click Install to add the app to your store. Inside the app, click Create Upsell Offer and choose how you'd like to set it up. I'll go with manual setup with bundles. First, select the upsell type. There are two options, thank you page and post-purchase upsell page. Choose when you want to trigger the offer. After any product is purchased, any product except selected ones, only specific products or products within selected collections. Let's go with any product for this example. Press Next. Now, select the products you want to upsell. You can exclude items that are already in the customer's order and use a custom discount title if needed. Here, you can see your selected products and discounts displayed. There's also a toggle that lets you offer your previously created quantity breaks or buy one get one deals as post-purchase upsells, giving you full control to reuse or override your existing discounts. At the bottom, you can set up another upsell offer if the customer accepts the first one, or a downsell offer if they decline it. Next step is style. You can adjust colors, text, and timer, change the layout style, or add extra blocks like an image or short description to personalize your layout. Before publishing, preview everything to see exactly how it will appear to your customers. Once it's live, every completed order becomes another chance to earn more. No extra ads, no new traffic, just pure additional revenue. And again, if you have any questions or run into difficulties with any of our app, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We'll help you right away. And that's how the full Kaching ecosystem works together. Each app is powerful on its own, but combined, they create a seamless shopping experience that increases your average order value at every step. Start building your store with Kaching apps today and make every order count.